The hot
Can't
trending
nobody know
thing.
LAPD, man. Yo mama, bomb. See there? Told you, get out the way, man. Can't nobody know LAPD, bro. Man, I'm gone, man. Get your pit maneuver and all that, bro. I'm gone, bro. Get your pit maneuver, nigga. I'm out of here, man. That way, Tia. Go, 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 go. Go! Go! Let them get you, man. Them niggas gonna take you out, bro. I'm gone, man. I'm gone, man. I'm finna go to another city on these niggas, bro. Come on, man. Oh, God. Oh, they on me. They on me. Man, shut up, man. I ain't stopping for nothing, man. Make me stop, nigga. You can't handle this Audi. They can't handle this Audi, man. Man, you better get out of there and run, girl. Get out and run, girl. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'll be right back for you, girl. I'll be right back. I'm finna go roll me up one, man. Come on. She thinks she did something. Yunti be back on her top. Y'all turn that Christmas tree off, man. Hey, bro. Who finna take me go get my other Christmas tree? What's up, D-Lo? Who finna take me, man? Huh? Bro? Hey, broski! I'm about to eat me some, oh, man. Eat some crap, boy, man. Alright, let me do these people drop, bruh. Cause they finna get on my nerves. Dogs. Website Sony D camera for P5. Sony D accessory camera PS5 consoles. What this for? What y'all send me this for? I need this? Huh? They said I might need this, dudes. For my chat. Broskies, do I need this, dudes? They making me go, okay? The computer got a camera on it, man. What are they talking about, bro? Huh? I do? For what? What is this for? Let me see what it says for. Add yourself to your gameplay videos and broadcast with smooth, sharp, full HD capture. So where it's gonna go at? Where is it? That I need to know. It's one already on the computer. Hey! What they send me this for and they don't tell me what it's for, bruh. What this for? Yeah. Send me stuff, don't tell me what it's for, man. But I'm finna roll me a jizzle, bro, and get out of here, man. I'm so glad Hey, what that camera for you just sent me?
That's for the PlayStation, so you can
they can see when you broadcast. You can broadcast to the PlayStation.
So what about the Twitch thing? That camera on the computer?
That one, it don't work with the PlayStation. You gotta use the PlayStation one.
Oh, I need to go get that stack. So chat can see me, man. Chat, you want to see Yunti? Huh? Tell Will sorry, tell come take me, go get me a Christmas tree. He's sorry, man. I washed his clothes and stuff for him yesterday. I shouldn't have did that. You get what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I don't do things like that for niggas. No more. You niggas is bigger than me. You do your own stuff, bruh. Yeah, I done made me a nice drink. Oh, I need to go to the ABC Spirits, get some eggnogs and stuff, man. It's that time of the year. Alexa, play me some soulful Christmas music.
The station, Soulful Christmas, on Amazon Music.
Damn, you loud, girl. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ain't no Santa Claus, it's Manta Claus. Cause our man's gonna do all of that, man. He gonna pay the cost. So we call him Manta Claus. Santa Claus is coming. He knows when you were sleeping. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ooh, ooh. You're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you smell bad or good. So be smelling good for sake. Oh! Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Woo woo, woo woo. Santa Claus coming to town. Oh yeah. Santa Claus is coming to town. And doody poo poo. Oh, throw it, auntie. All right, wait a minute. Roll in my jizzle. Santa Claus is coming to town. 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 Better watch out. Well, we used to have to sing this in school. I think this the song. Alexa, play the next song. I don't know that.
Happy Christmas, Luna.
Happy Christmas, Miles.
Happy Christmas, Daddy and Mommy.
So this is Christmas. I'm
Play Silent Night, the old one.
Here's Silent Night by Zara Larsson on Amazon Music.
Alexa! You tripping. Alexa! Play me some,
You want to play, right?
Nah, I don't want to play with you. I ain't no toy. Alexa! Alexa! Play Gucci Mane Saint Brick. I think that's what it is.
Here's Saint Brick Intro by Gucci Mane on Amazon Music.
Selling 900 for away. Over the hills we go. Got a Nintendo and an AK. My neighborhood full of places selling bills of cannabis. Preaching like an evangelist, but I don't fuck with amateurs. I got spiders, got tarantulas. My diamonds are immaculate. I'm not on no romantic shit, but I'm cooking cocaine candles. I'm sure your hoe can't handle it, but damn that bitch can suck a dick. Cheated on her face and lip. Walking fuck no basic. The teacher teaching her arithmetic. Show you how to whip a clip. Learn you how you run your clip. And told you how to kill a split. Young girl, she a freaky chick, but damn she on this sneaky shit. When I would have half a second, now I gotta shop a trip. Rock a leg with broken shit. Ricky dick and rocket shit. I'm on up down a Mexican. My dog food, yeah, it's excellent. Started selling Christmas tree. I'm trying to jingle bells. It's Christmas time, it's hot as queen. I'm stopping in my shelter. Christmas time in 96, I X out to for 12. And I grew up, got gifts to give, but I don't fuck with 12.
Here's new music by Future on Amazon Music.
Chopping friends and drinking mud, niggas. No matter how rich I get, I still feel like a hood, niggas. Caught places to see they bullets flying. Hoes on Friday Street, so I'm serving dimes. On the way to buy a square, we rock a 9. I was in New Mexico, once upon a time. I stood up in these streets, y'all niggas dying. I seen the nigga get close to come to him. You catch a nigga off guard, you better run through him. All the good I manifested came true. Gotta talk about my dog days so you can see my life. Get straight to looking at the ice. Send a European on flights. Try to find in my rifle. All the farms came with a title. Some shit a nigga would kill for the same things on that title. New level of life from a whole nother perspective. The trenches look a little different when you in the inside of the spectrum. The star came in, I know that's how I know this one is special. Some things I can't rap about, which I knew this was my destiny. Shout out friends to drinking mud, niggas. No matter how rich I get, I still feel like a hood, niggas. Shout out friends to drinking mud, niggas. No matter how far you go, you still gon' find a hood, niggas.
South of France, it ain't no ocean drop. 300 feet size little when you see the ocean drop. South of France, and see some bitches, but beware the side. Southside when we on the drink, we make the system yay. Southwest Airlines, Southside plane to make a shot at play. Told the captain find a place and empty out the tank.
6'5". I wish I was 6'5". I'm 5'9". When I put on heels, I should be 6'1" somewhere around. Wish I was 6'5". I step on your head instead of your neck. Remember that. I step on your head instead of your neck.
Drinking mud, niggas. No matter how rich I get, I feel like a hood nigga.
Like that, Gus.
I'm out of the still gon' find a hood nigga.
Oh, nigga. Matter how rich I get, still gon' be a hood nigga, yeah. No matter how rich I get, I'm still gon' be a hood nigga, yeah. No matter how rich I get, I'm still gon' be a hood nigga lit. Matter how rich I get, I'm still gonna be a hood nigga lit. Alexa, play the next song.
Demon in the cut, you mean or raven at the church. I'm seeing you moving wrong, cut. That game slime with Sharon Slut. That's like my twin is only a big check on platinum, fuck a budget. Well, a demon in the cut, you mean or raven at the church. I'm seeing you moving wrong, cut. That game slime with Sharon Slut. No camera rap, I'm trapping. I ain't camera, ice on both my sleeves. Trapping novels on the pedals. Yeah, that's you said. When we go Ferrari, truck the new one. Wow, this shit from overseas. Big bang, I never chasing. I play game, I never chasing. Pockets loaded, hell and dirty red. I chew that shit that made me sweet. All these slime, I knew how to count the money. Super before I learned to read. I ain't say gang, put a yacht on the coast, yeah. Put a yacht on the coast, yeah. I coast the no shake gang, they ready to work me in. Put the rock like a roll, you with. I ain't look for the vultures, yeah. Took came up with the roaches, yeah. Your nigga down like a old. More straight out of the program. She did me top on the low, what you doing? Wipe her not a strut, like her started over. Wipe her not a strut, like a shining over. What you gonna do? Wipe her not a strut, like you got a cold. Yeah, check it. Yeah, sis. Yeah, check it. Yeah, check it. Yeah, check it. Yeah, check it. Yeah, still check it. Yeah, get money out here. Get money. Yeah, get money out here. Get money. Yeah, get money.
Yeah, get money. Yeah, get money. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trapping. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trapping. Yeah. Yeah, get money. Yeah, get money. Yeah, get money. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trapping. Yeah. Not again.
What's before a crook? Crook, get your crook. My bitch is precious cut. A demon in the cut. You mean or raven at the church. I'm seeing you moving wrong, cut. That game slime with Sharon Slut. That's like my twin is only a big check on platinum, fuck a budget. My bitch is precious cut. A demon in the cut. You mean or raven at the church. I'm seeing you moving wrong, cut. That game slime with Sharon Slut. That's like my twin is only a big check on platinum, fuck a budget. I don't even know what she is. I just carry the bill. We got the rating niggas. These not the rating reports. Set this 100 on show. name up. $12 to run. We got another one. Filipino, man. I don't even know, yeah. I just been tagging them, man. Riding with Satan again. I go to black, man. Streets on a bunch of man. We going dark as nasty. These little blocks and cash. I'm fucking up trying. I'm feeling man. I'm thudding the thing. I'm thudding again. I'm blushing the blood on hand. I'm burning the food on hand. Yeah. I'm fucking up trying. I'm feeling man. I'm thudding the thing. I'm thudding again. I'm blushing the blood on hand. I'm burning the food on hand. Yeah. Rapping and rolling again. Street trying to bust to a million now. Drinking on lean again. I don't even know who she is. Filipino Korean. Sitting on the lawn, I'm putting up. I got it on me again. 6 in the morning again. I'm on the road in the Benz. I'm on my way to the town. She taking it up with her friend. I'm taking it up with her too. I'm doing what a rich can do. I go to party inside my crib. I'm putting for rubber inside my ears.
Alexa, pause the music. That about melted my whole. Ooh! See, about me. That's about melted my whole container, dude. Dude. Hey dudes. Hey dudes. Hey dudes. Hey dudes. Hey dudes. Hey dudes. Wow. It's hot. Shoot my head. It's good. I ain't eating turkey. I ain't eating no more turkey, by the way. I ain't eating no more turkey wings and stuff, man. I don't want no more dressing and all that. I can eat third day, bro. No. I don't know about y'all. Go in there and enjoy your turkey and your stinking doodle-bird collard greens. Your funky, wet cheese mac and cheese with the great value cheese in it, because we know it ain't no Sargento and no crap. And that good stuff. It's great value, I heard. I be seeing when cooking on TikTok. I'm like, what's all these great value seasons like? This is why your food nasty. Like, come on, man. You see, this can't be brand name, man. Huh? I get so tired of seeing that blue and white. Like, come on, man. It's other stores size Walmarts and stuff. We're going one day to see a Publix or Kroger's or something. You can even go in Home Goods and Ross and go in the seasoning area where you see the noodles and the pasta and the honeys and stuff. You see some gourmet herbs and you can see some gourmet herbs in that too. You ain't gotta be Lawry's seasoning out in the blue bottle of the 19-cent salt with the lady on it with the umbrella gonna have your knees swollen. It's Renee's on. I'm just trying to teach you something. I ate snow crabs yesterday. Ooh, splash in my eye. Yes, it's good, by the way. It is. Oh. I like to dip that in the juice and stuff, too. That's how you like do yours? You dip it in the juice? I feel a little doodle right now. Let's clean that out of his ass. And then eat him. Ain't gonna kill you, it's gonna fill you. This eyelash keeps sticking because it's so good when I close my eyes like this. That one has to, it got a delay on popping open. Don't mind it. Let's bust this buster down. Hot. I'ma crack this nigga back, man. Yeah, like that. Crack his back open. I love that part, y'all. Crack that nigga back. It's meaty right there, I see it. I chew the nigga legs up. Like that. Suck on that nigga legs. Old crab in the bucket, nigga. I eat them all. Yeah, I get down in that nigga, man. I make that nigga feel me. I get down in that nigga like a masseuse, bro. You know, like when they go to Dr. Miami and they get all the fat sucked out their neck and back, put it to their tut, they booty. Like on they now. Hopefully she lays low on the Thanksgiving food because she'll be back for around 15, probably 20. Shame. Shame. Shame, dog, dirty shame like that. But she love it, y'all. She like it. Where the niggas? Word. They bugging. They bugging, son. Oh yeah, they bugging. Cause a nigga ain't doing all that for no niggas. Nigga, if I got a pancake, that's what you gonna be eating. A pancake. If I got an apple bottom, that's what you will be crunching on. An apple. Bruh. Nigga, I ain't got it. I don't want a basketball, man. I ain't got that. I ain't got it, bro. You want a basketball? Go to the field. Go to the court. Your body, son. They be running back to me talking about him. Ain't nothing funny to me, man. But if I come back to you talking about how long that nigga thing was, and he had no titties flapping on his chest, he had muscles. You wasn't like that. So I tell him, cut it short quick. I don't want to hear about you. Don't worry, I tell him, cut it short quick. I don't want to hear about you, girl. I don't even want to hear about you. Get comfortable with me, let me know. You would have dribbled the basketball. And I ain't got a basketball. Like, what I look like here, compadre? You gotta find me somebody better. Cause now I'm finna go let a light pole stab me down like a domestic victim. And see if you like if I come and tell you that. I get these teeth knocked out. For real, for real. Niggas don't like that, man. You be like, oh, you must forgot to put your teeth in your mouth. Nah, I ain't forgot nothing. The Lord did. And if you touch that, you going to hell. And I'ma send you. Yup. Right there. I'm gonna send them right there. Heaven of Wales. How we call it. It's the Heaven of Wales. so many of them big back whales up there in heaven. I didn't know. Are they eating the whales? Do people eat whales? Are they eating the whales? Excuse me. No, I'm serious. You know they're eating the dogs. We know they're eating the cats. Cause Burger King had a fish sandwich called a Weller one time. And I'm like, what's a Weller, man? What's that? Where they get that from? Is it flounder? Is it whitening? Is it... I don't know what that is. Is it a whale? Gotta be a big back whale. Gots to be. Gotta be. Dang, chill. Dang what, man? Dang what? What did I do? But we eat crab. In the bucket. That's what you do to them crabs in the buckets. You eat them, man. Get in them and you tear them down. Yeah. Dissect them. Dissect them dusties. I get in your guts, nigga. I eat your spine. Eat your legs too. And your claws, mutt. I didn't eat your claws. Nah. Nah. I just sat there and ate you down. And I wish I had some more of you to eat. I do. Don't make me order some more. Make sure I ain't leaving nothing, man. And break his leg, bro. See what could come out of that, man. This nigga dried out, bro. Ain't nothing, man.
That crab, that blue crab.
Mm-hmm. Pour it down. It was so good. Might want me some more. Ain't nothing in there. There's something in there, though. Nigga, get out of there, man. Little teeny weeny baby, why they killed you so young, man? I shouldn't even be asking you that question. They did it for me. I'm sorry to tell you that. That was good, goose. Let me get. What's that trying to call me? No call ID. Are you serious? Bitch to go, cause they acting like a. I gotta go take a bath, cause this here. We gotta take this out. Stupid bitch. What's wrong with you, man? You better go on somewhere and stop playing with me, man. For real. Stop playing with me, man. Don't even start that. Please don't. All right, gotta go. Gotta do this drop. December 7th, Ocala, Florida. I'm going to Nashville tomorrow. Let me go put on some clothes. Nashville, how cold you is? I got the mink in the suitcase, bro. I'm bringing the mink. No Zara. No Zara. Yeah. Don't get it twisted.
Back door.
Please. Alexa. Alexa. Play episode 444 by Queen Kia, Yunti.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Well, I saw it. I saw it not yet on Apple Music yet. Huh? I think it's in the night. 11 p.m. tonight. The day November the 30th, man. What's today's date, man? What's today's date, bro? Alexa! 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 Play episode 3 by Queen Key.
Episode 3 by Queen Key on Amazon Music.
Why? Episode 3.
I'm racing the next bitch cause it ain't no competition. Fuck my ex, bitch, don't get caught slipping. Cause ain't fucking with me, God is my witness. I don't know how to stand the motherfucking riches. I got this shit from the nigga that I'm a magician. You and your feelings full of dumb, that's why your money missing. Why your best nigga win, no tongue kissing. Jump about your life like I'm out of thing. Fuck these niggas and fuck these motherfucking bitch. Bro, bitch, I ain't got shit for you. All bitch do is talk and do dick, bitch, I got a trick for you. Tell you motherfucking all these niggas, they ain't got a cent for you. Hey, you claim that nigga eat all that dick, he can't make a rent for you. No, bitch, you big loss. Try to keep up with me, you gon' end up with that bitch, this shit good cost. And I did hit me a nigga real quick, all the fuck he went rough. Nigga for me, he cuffed that bitch, he make her break her what's off. Hold you back, don't run this shit, don't get that bitch, you exhausted. Literally, bitches is fucking exhausted. Look, it ain't enough water bottles in the world to go around for you jughead ass bitches. I know y'all tired, go to sleep. Night, night. I got blessed as soon as I met that bitch. Never gon' text that bitch, never gon' stress that bitch. When her come see me, please arrest that bitch. Hey, you a liability, fake ass bitch, fake ass friend. Bitch, I got no money, wanna be my enemy. When it's not up, I'ma work on enemy. That hoe not too many times, so I had to break his spine. Now he all up on my line, reminding me how he be crying. Tell me how I'm missing that. Bitch, nigga, go play kitty back. This my shit, nigga, give me that. Hoe we max, I'm really that. I fuck my old nigga, fuck my old bitch. Shouldn't have told shit, hoe don't know shit, and know that hoe snitch. I'm gon' hold it, bitch like my pet. going queen shit, bitch. I'm tired of niggas, I'm tired of bitches, I'm tired of your mama, I'm tired of your daddy, bitch. And I'm tired of your shit. I really take over this shit, really make over this shit, really gon' shake shit fast. Never have to shake my ass, ain't no bitch say that. Bitch gon' shake your ass, fuck my baby dad. Bitch should've made me mad, know this shit go well. I be the nigga in hell, I make a bitch go tell. I know my hoe so well, bitch go check your mail. Kill yourself oh well, dip on a bitch hotel. Kill hoes out hotel, saying the wind can't fail. Count up, broke my nails, nigga fell off like a rail. Nigga fell off my tail, yeah. That's what you mean, tell motherfuckers.